My name is Nancy Chiero, and I'm an educator at Southington High School. I taught at Southington High School for 23 years, and as one of my roles was to be the co-chair of the Technology Advisory Board at the high school. Our advisory board was made up of individuals from many facets of the community. Not only do we have administrators and teachers and the superintendent and Board of Education members, but we also had over 25 community members that were involved in the technology fields. We represented people from construction, manufacturing, transportation, and marketing and communications. And that's where my friend Joe Cekauskas and JC Marketing were involved. Joe was involved for the 8 years that I was on the board. He never missed a meeting. He was always there for us, and he did more than attend meetings. We held parent expos, student expos, parent nights. We did events, car shows, you name it, Joe was there. He was involved. He had a booth. He talked to kids. He talked to parents. He did everything from marketing our program to the flyers, the QR codes for kids, the videos that would get kids involved and get excited. He did it all. Joe is an amazing human being. He's an amazing community supporter and a friend to Southington High School. In addition to being part of our board, I also was the internship coordinator for the high school. And whenever I had a student who was interested in engineering, I would send him out to an engineer. When I had a student that was interested in marketing, graphic design, communications, I would always call on Joe. JC Marketing was there to take any student on at any time. He'd let them shadow for a day or stay for a whole semester and work with a student and teach him or her all about the field of marketing or communications or graphic design. The students gained amazing information from Joe. They went on to college oftentimes and were very successful because of his support. He never says no. Joe is a kind, caring, supportive, wonderful human being. He's not a marketing person. He is a blessing person to anyone who works with him, who knows him, and has had an opportunity to be with him. I had another student one year who was interested in puppetry, and I didn't know what to do to support him in his career in puppetry, I didn't know where to go with it. And I called on Joe, and Joe became his mentor for 2 years. When I say mentored him, every email, I was on every email that they sent back and forth. And if the student sent 20 emails to Joe in 24 hours, Joe would respond to 20 emails in 24 hours. He helped this student not only find a way to sell his puppets, he found a way to help him do puppet shows in the town of Southington. He found ways, he found people that would want to do a puppet show to help my student. He helped him build a set. He even one year helped his family. They had frozen pipes in the middle of the winter, and Joe brought his own plumber. He called a plumber and said, "Can you come and help this family?" So Joe does more things for more people. He's amazing. So I thank him for everything he's ever done for Southington High School. Southington High School thanks him and appreciates him. He's just amazing. God bless him.